In today's society, cryptocurrency and blockchain no longer just encompass finance. It now is taking over all aspects of life, and we think that's kind of amazing. We previously spoke about the OPUL coin for music. Now let's talk about Shosha tokens. The first-person GameFi shooter game on the Algorand Network. Welcome to 6-0 Crypto, where you get your daily dose of knowledge for crypto. If you want to get the latest news on the cryptocurrency market, then smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Disclaimer: nothing in this video constitutes professional and/or financial advice. The sole objective of every piece of content on this channel is to promote discussion and sharing of information. Do your own independent research or consult a qualified financial advisor before making any decisions based on the information provided. This video is not sponsored by Algorand. Shosha Crypto, utilizing the Shosha coin, was founded by Onur, Akyay, and Angelo Zichem. Shosha is developing the first player versus player 3D shooter game. Shosha is a platform that provides gamers and cryptocurrency investors with the opportunity to play their AAA game and wager against each other using the currency they use in their ecosystem, Shosha tokens. Shosha boasts beyond basic functionality. Shosha goes beyond the basic functioning of NFTs, creating multi-utility NFTs. With their NFTs and tokens, you'll be able to play the games the Shosha team creates, as well as buy and sell them on their open marketplace. Shosha developers created the game Slaughter, which will allow gamers to play and earn. According to the Shosha website, the word Shosha stems from the Japanese word that signifies victory. And that is exactly what each player needs to achieve to start earning the valuable Shosha tokens. With the joint effort of game developers and cryptocurrency experts, the Shosha team have worked around the clock to develop Slaughter, their AAA player versus player 3D first-person shooter game. How it works, they said, is that players can square up against each other and start earning Shosha tokens. Shosha tokens can then be used to buy and upgrade the player's character and vehicle, which will make you more difficult to defeat. Aside from the first-person shooter game, players will also be able to play poker, soccer, and race against other players in the community. Alternatively, players can also hold their Shosha tokens and wait for them to rise in value or exchange them for other tokens or cryptocurrencies in an exchange that supports Shosha. If you're already into fintech and gaming, how does this sound? Does it make you excited to know that your two interests are now being combined into one? Not only will you enjoy doing what you like, In this case, it may be playing video games. You're also earning money while doing so. Next, we'll talk about slaughter. What is slaughter? According to the Shosha website, they describe slaughter as the following. Slaughter is a 3D first shooter cross-platform game for iOS, Android, and PC, where Shosha token holders can battle against each other and earn rewards with real-life value in real time. The first edition of the 3D cross-platform shooter is expected to release at the end of 2022. This allows Shosha token holders to play the game and wager in real time for the first time ever. Shosha will allow players to access the game and their blockchain from their own phones. Players will be able to use their mobile phones to connect to their Shosha wallet. From there, each player will be able to wager, upgrade, and play a fair game of slaughter and potentially win rewards in real time. Slaughter also has a play-to-earn mechanism. Slaughter is different from other video games out there. The whole game is designed around wagering players from the Shosha community and battling it out face to face. The winner takes all. Exciting, isn't it? Are you looking forward to investing in Shosha and playing slaughter? Isn't it amazing how many new projects are coming out on the Algorand Network? If you've made it all this way into the video, thank you. We're happy to have you here. Like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And leave a comment to tell us what you think of this type of content. Thanks for watching. This has been 60 Crypto. We hope to see you in the next one.